Stephanie trying to do her makeup drunk.
Yo, it's just me.
Oh, look at her fuck up right there. Stephanie, you missed this spot right there.
Shut up.
I'm serious though. You gotta look in the
I'm gonna fix it later. I just want to do this one first.
No, it's right there. You see it?
Yes, I do see it. You're making me myself. Shut up. Oh my fuck is that? Well, he's fucking hot right now.
Dude, you're like swaying.
Okay.
Why are you doing your makeup right now? I have to record you. This is funny.
Oh my god, like this side is so fucked up.
Can I see? I can't see.
Oh my god, like I always do my makeup good, but this time somehow
Close your eyes and look at me. Fucking Stephanie. Why are you doing it right now, though?
I don't know. There's so many times. Yeah.
That made no sense. This is going on YouTube. Just kidding.
That video will have a view. It's on YouTube.
What video? Is it coming soon?
Earlier.
Is it coming soon?
Yep, real soon.
Miss the spot.
Shut up. Oh.